So hello and assalamu alaikum. My name is Azam and today we are going to discuss about the work done by a variable force. Previously we have discussed about the work done by a constant force, but now we are doing work done by a variable force. So what is this? So previously we discussed that we have a body here, and if we apply the force on this direction, so the displacement that will be covered by this body will be on this direction, means displacement and the force will be in same direction, and obviously there will be an angle. For example, the displacement is 5 meter and the force is 4 meter, for example. All right, now what do we need to do is we need to make a chart like this, and 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5. All right, so where is the force? 1 2 3 4, there is a force. And where is the displacement? 1 2 3 4 5. So here is the displacement, so we have made on the chart. All right, so just for example, this is called, area is equal to length into breadth. All right, so now what we need to discuss today is the work done by a variable force. I will give you one example, and I hope that you will understand by that example quickly. All right, so let's make a diagram here. This is the diagram, and it has a spring on this direction. All right, and it's a mean position, right? As you know, that's it, it's a mean position, and this is called F1. There's a body, what we say, there's a spring and the end of the spring is here, right? Or you can say as an object. So it is F1 as an example, and it has a distance between the mean position and itself is of around delta x, because it will be continuously changing. All right, now we will make a second diagram here. Then again it has a spring, but now this time it is little bit on this side. All right, so here will be the diagram. Now what we need to do is we need to see that for how much distance it moved, like compared to the previous one. So it was here, now it is here. So what we'll do is we will put here the sign delta x2, and we'll give the name to this as f2. All right, now again we'll make the diagram here. Again we have the mean position, again we have the spring. Now on this side, now what will be the distance? Now distance will be the delta x3, delta x3, and will be given the name by f3. Now again we'll make the diagram. Again we have the mean position, and now right beside, like right just around about to touch, you need to make the diagram here, and you need to write f4. Again we'll measure the distance, so it will be delta x4. So what we are looking at this, the direction is on this side, on the left side. It is covering distance as well between, if we compare all the bodies, all the springs together. So we can say that f1 x delta 1 cos theta, work done done by f1 through x delta x1. So we need to sum all the values like f2 x delta 2 cos theta. So it will remain with summation means just sum of the all, then fn the number, and the delta xn. So here's the formula for the work done by a variable force. I hope you understand very well. In the next video we'll discuss about the chapter 9 and some of the topics of them. Thank you.